Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to present you something that will affect your minds. As many people will think and already know that the color red represents roses. Red also represents love and the heart. I'm talking about the heart that pumps our blood throughout the body. Like oxygen, people cannot live without oxygen. Without oxygen, people will die. Also, without blood, people will die. Only the little amount of blood can kill people. And therefore, today, we have decided to donate our blood. That's right, we have donated our blood in order to save lives. It is the act that changes our lives.
According to one of our group colleagues, the purpose of life is not to be happy, but to matter, to be productive, to be useful, to have it make some difference that you have made at all. We would like to share you one of the stories we found online, an article. It was a story about a young man named Mike. He drove a car and crashed into an oak tree, and he was reported to have a severe injury. The hospital said that he was sent as DOA, dead or alive state patient. It was almost impossible for him to survive because he has lost a lot of blood. But then the surgeons wouldn't stop, and people were so kind and wouldn't stop donating their blood. His father said it was a miracle that he walked again. So today we would like to show you that we went to this Thai restaurant at Universiy, next to our university.
It is very to get there. It's very easy. It's on Universiy Road. Nearby, you can even go there on your free time. It's really nice. As you can see that there are many people who are actually willing to give out their blood to save other people's lives. Only 450 cc of blood, a life can be saved. First step, we have to register and fill out the forms that said that you have been consent and you have done all the conditions that are given and you have not done the things that are not allowed, such as sleeping less than 6 hours, eating fat foods, or not having enough rest. The second step, now this may be difficult to understand, but it is actually what's going on. Not everyone that wants to donate blood can donate blood, and the blood that has been collected will not always work. We have to be selected for the blood first. Here's what they're going to do. They're going to take a very little drop of our blood from our finger and just test it. It's okay if it's thick enough or if it's healthy enough. And you will get registered. This is the example of the donor card that you will get once you have registered to be a blood donor. And here it is. You donate your blood. It is not painful at all. People who are afraid of needles like I am have donated my blood. I have a donor card. It is not painful and you feel refreshing the whole procedure because you know that what you're doing today is going to make a difference. You know that it's going to save some lives.
Apart from donating our blood, we also had a chance to talk with the staff at the center. We asked become a nursing staff volunteers, they told us it is very easy to become one of the volunteers, to be employees there. We could go to the center. It is behind the Chulalongkorn Hospital Center. You could go there and they will train us for 30 hours to become one of the nurses. And it is very easy to become one, and it's a very small task.
What we gained that day when we went to Thai Red Cross was that first, we did not think that only 450 cc of our blood would save these many lives. We did not know that by giving our blood without wanting anything back will increase opportunities for people to actually live. They can live longer for only a little bit of our blood. And now we know that it is not painful like we thought it would be. And after we have donated our blood, we would get taken care of too. We get to know the condition of our blood. For example, one of the members in our group did not get the blood checked. His blood did not pass the procedure because it was not thick enough. He did not know that before, that his blood was not thick enough and was not healthy enough, and now he knows because he was willing to give his blood for not thinking of any conditions that might come along, and he did not want anything back from doing so. Thank you.